What happens when Honda brings back a beloved classic with modern engineering? The 2026 Honda SL125 is proof that sometimes the best things really do come in smaller packages. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring Honda's stylish new lightweight machine and discovering why it's capturing hearts across the riding community. Design-wise, the SL125 beautifully blends retro scrambler aesthetics with contemporary styling. Clean lines, a classic round headlight, and that iconic Honda craftsmanship create genuine visual appeal. The compact frame feels approachable for newer riders while still turning heads. Quality materials and thoughtful details show Honda's commitment to getting things right. Performance delivers exactly what you'd expect from Honda's engineering excellence. The fuel-efficient 125cc engine provides smooth, accessible power, perfect for city streets and a light trail exploration. Responsive handling makes navigating traffic effortless, while the lightweight chassis builds confidence quickly. It's nimble, predictable, and genuinely fun. Features and technology. Technology stays practical without overwhelming. A clean digital instrument cluster displays essential information clearly. LED lighting improves visibility and efficiency, while the refined fuel injection ensures reliable starts every time. Comfortable ergonomics make daily commuting a pleasure rather than a chore. Conclusion: the SL125 proves Honda still understands what riders want: simplicity, reliability, and genuine character. For beginners or experienced riders seeking pure enjoyment, this little Honda delivers big smiles. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Ride safe!